Hey guys, my name is Alex and I'm a professional trader within the Forex markets. Now I'm here today with tradersunion.com to show you just how quick, simple and easy it is to use the Forex brokers list to find the right broker for you, and also show you and give you my first-hand experience of how simple it is to actually sign up with one of these brokers. So what I want you to do is go from this homepage here, tradersunion.com, and I want you to click on this Forex Brokers List tab. Now that is going to direct you to another page. Once you go down here, you can scroll down and you can find a lot of good stuff as well as how to choose the best Forex broker. But we want to continue to scroll down and find this list. Now we've already done videos for Robo Forex and XNES. Today we are doing number 3, which is ICMarkets. I'm going to open up an account with them and show you how easy it is to do it. Now I just want to add here 2 things. Don't be confused or a little bit worried if you come on in a couple of months time or weeks time and this has changed around. These charts are continually updated to make sure that you're always getting the best broker for you. Also, make sure that you use our link here to open an account, otherwise you won't get current and future rebates from tradersunion.com. So let's click on this one here, shall we, and open an account. Now you're going to be transported to another page again, this time at ICMarkets. And all I want you to do from this page is really simple. Click this big green Start Trading Now button. Once you click it, again, we are going to be going over to a live application process. What we're going to do is we're going to fill this stuff out here. I'm going to fill it out on my own time and I'm going to press next. I'm going to put my email, first name, last name and my country, which is Australia for me, and I will see you on the next part. Now we are on this page here. We need to show you that we are clicking on an individual account type rather than joint or corporate. Joint being that it's more than one of you doing it, I'm assuming, and for this one it's just a singular person signing up, so we want to do this. If you want to create an Islamic account, you can also do that should that suit you. Now from here, I want you to put in your date of birth and your address. Again, click next and I'll see you in the next one. Once we've filled in our details, we are going to be here, which is choosing the trading platform. Now this is completely up to you. You can choose CTrader, MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, for example. I prefer MetaTrader 5 myself, so I would be picking this one, and I would be doing a standard account. Now, raw spread or standard account, that simply means that standard spreads are going to be standard. There's nothing that's going to be different. If you want raw spreads, they're a bit tighter. You should go and look at that in your own time. This is more focusing on how to open an account rather than what account types there are. Sure, ICMarket has information on that. And of course, I'm going to select my account-based currency as AUD. This time, I will click next with you guys. From here, we need to tell them what's our source of income. We can do employment, inheritance, savings, investments, other. I'll just say employment because I'm just going to make this up. We say my employment status is self-employed. My industry, for example, could be engineering. You get to pick whatever. And then we talk about our annual income before tax. Let's just say it's 60 to 80,000. The value of your savings and investments, let's say it's 10,000 for this one. How much do you intend to deposit annually? Between $1,000 and $10,000, we'll say that for a good one. What is the source of your wealth? Employment again. What is your CFD trading experience? Let's just say intermediate, right? If you're a beginner, you can go and beginner here, but we recommend you visit our education page. I'm going to be intermediate for this. How many experience do you have trading CFDs? Let's say 3 years. Types of instruments you trade in the last 2 years. Forex, for example, really easy. All I have to do is that. Trading frequency, have you traded in the last 2 years on a monthly basis? 6 to 20, I should say. Do you have prior professional qualifications? No. What is the purpose of your opening account? I just want to do, let's say, long-term growth. What's your risk appetite? I am conservative, so I'd be doing this. It's important to understand and have a high investment risk appetite to trade CFDs. Unfortunately, risk appetite does not meet our internal criteria, so we're unable to open an account for you. In that case, you can do this. I'm prepared to accept a moderate to high degree of risk. That is now what we found out together we have to do. So let's go and move down here. How much can you afford to lose if you're trading risk products like CFDs? I cannot afford to suffer any loss is the wrong answer. It would be I can afford to suffer loss. Now we just press next. From here, we can do a security question. I'm going to put this in myself. I'm going to confirm it. I'm going to say I have read the T's and C's, and then I'm going to submit it and see you on the next one. So this is under ASIC Regulatory Guide. It might be different depending on what country you are in. You might have a different one here, so don't be too worried. You might have to go through this anyway, but we are going to have to do a test. What we can do is start and run through it here. Now, I do believe that I am not allowed to show you how to actually pass the test. That would be a breach of how we should do that. But go on, you've got 2 attempts. You can go through this and I will meet you at the end of the test. As you can see here, I have passed the test. Actually got 9 out of 10 correct, and I'm pretty sure I know which one I got wrong. When you get this, you got a 90% pass rate, or I think it's like 70 or 80% that you can pass it on. You can just press X, and then all you have to do is upload your government photo ID, proof of residency, and that is all you need to do. Once you upload this, you will have an account. You can press complete later, fund now, which we will do, and click that. It'll take us to another page. Now that you can see, we can deposit funds through any one of these methods here. We now have a funded account, guys. It's open, it's ready to go. So I hope that helped you. I hope you had a great time watching this, and you'll now know what to do when opening an ICMarkets account. I will see you in the next one, guys. Bye.